Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to do editing a split screen in CapCut. This is relatively straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, launch CapCut on your device. On the main interface, tap on New Project to begin. After that, browse through your gallery and select the videos you want to incorporate with the split screen. Confirm your selection. Once your videos are imported, locate and click on the Collage option. This is the feature that lets you divide your screen to display multiple videos. Before choosing a collage style, determine the aspect ratio for your project, whether it's 16:19 ratio for widescreen, 1:1 ratio for square, or 9:16 ratio for portrait. Select the one that suits your preference. Depending on how many videos you've chosen, CapCut will provide different collage or split screen templates. Browse them and pick the one that fits your vision. For our final touches, once your videos are set in the desired split screen format, you can make additional edits. Adjust the positioning, add transitions, incorporate text, or tweak the audio. Customize it until it looks perfect. After you're satisfied with the split screen video, tap on the Export or Save button. CapCut will render your project, and once done, it'll be saved to your device gallery. And there you have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly create split screen videos using CapCut. Experiment with different videos in collage styles to achieve various effects and results. Happy editing! If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!